Welcome to Repair by Me. Learn how I fix damaged rims step by step, from scratched wheels to factory finish. Fast, clean, and satisfying. No shortcuts, just real repairs. Here I'm using P180 grit to remove the deepest curb rash and damage. If you're afraid of touching the black painted area, just mask it off with tape first. That makes the repair much safer and cleaner. This machine is honestly a must-have. It makes real repairs so much faster and easier. If you're interested in one, leave a comment under this video. I still have a few available. Now I'm using P320 grit to smooth out the scratches left by the P180 sanding. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. More wheel repair videos coming soon.